So for the Viking Village tutorial, sometimes it's easier to actually build it from the ground up. In Unity Hub, build a new project, go to 3D built-in render pipeline, and you want to change the name of the project before you start it. If you're in one of my classes, I want you to call it whatever your last name is. And this is Viking Village. Your last name _ Viking Village. Hit create, then that will open up Unity. And then it gives you a completely generic project. Don't worry about this. It will overwrite the stuff that you don't need here in a second. So then go over to Window and Asset Store, and then you can go to Search Online, and then type in Viking Village. And then the one that you're going to want, so you don't want anyone that is going to cost you money. You want to get this one that was created by Unity Technologies called Viking Village URP, and it's free. So just click on that. On the right side, go over to where it says Add to my assets and click on that. Then up at the top, it will tell you that it was added to your assets. So go back to Unity, go up to Window, then go to Package Manager. Then up at the top where it says Packages in Project, we want to click on that and then go to My Assets. And then it finds the stuff that you have purchased in the Asset Store. And then go to Viking Village URP and then Import. And then it gives you a warning saying this is going to completely overwrite your current project settings. That's what I want. And then it says this Unity project package manager has dependencies. So let's install or upgrade. And then it will give you this window saying to import Unity package. And I do want to do that, all of it. Let's just say next. And then it's going to override a bunch of things that were in the default project, so that's okay. I can close my package manager here. And then down here in my assets, I have my Viking Village. So I'm going to open up the Viking Village. And then I have my scenes. Right now this is too small to read, so I'm going to go over to the right side and make the icons bigger with the little slider here. And I'm going to put it up here in my hierarchy. And then I'm going to get rid of this other scene. Remove scene. Okay, cool. So right now this is like a cinematic. So it's just going to float you around this village. And we want to turn that off. So go down to scripts and go to the control switch script. If you double click it, it's going to either open it in Visual Studio if you're on a PC, or it's just going to open it in TextEdit if you're on a Mac. So on line 17, you can count down if you want. It's going to be numbered in Visual Studio where it says set controller state true. Just make this be false. And then save it. And then when you play the game, it's going to run the script. Then it's just, you're just walking here. Then the game just runs with W to go forward, A to go to left, D to go right, and S to go back, and then you can use the mouse to control where you're looking. And there you go. And then Command P to stop on a Mac, Control P on a PC.